There is a lot of noise in our daily life, such as car horns, the noise of the market, the operation of the subway, and the keyboard in the office. Scientists and photographers capture the shape of sound through light and high-speed cameras. I designed some patterns with these elements. Then I used the recording to collect the noise I heard during the day, like my father's snoring and so on. I found some subjects to listen to the noise and do some paint. Inspired by the experiment, I used Touch Designer to connect the sound data with a change mode of pictures to realize sound visualization, and used this method to design a group of paintings. After that, I did a profile experiment with soundproof sponge. And I used Close 3D to simulate the profile structure of two sound insulation walls sandwiching people in the middle. And use Nomad to apply elements such as airs, sound waves, and walls to the silhouette. Then this is the final result of my design.